Hi guys, how's going? Staying home? So we came across with a new nutshell. I hope you guys all like it. So today we will talk about what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Rango is a 2011 American computer animated western comedy film co-produced and directed by Gore Verbinski from a screenplay by John Logan, starring the voices of Johnny Depp as Rango, Isla Fisher as Beans, Abigail Breslin as Priscilla, Ned Beatty as Tortoise John, Alfred Molina as Roadkill, Bill Nighy as Rattlesnake Jake, Harry Dean Stanton as Balthazar, Ray Winstone as Bad Bill, Timothy Olyphant as the Spirit of the West or the Man with No Name, and Stephen Root as Doc. The film was produced by Nickelodeon Movies, Verbinski's Blind Wing Productions, King's GK Films, and Industrial Light and Magic as his first animated film. Rango premiered at Westwood on February 14, 2011 and was released in the United States on March 4, 2011 by Paramount Pictures. The film was both a major critical and a commercial success, grossing over $245.7 million against a budget of just $135 million. The film won the 2011 Academy Award for Best Animated Feature, making it the first non-Disney or Pixar film to win since 2006 Happy Feet and the last one to win until 2018's Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. The score was composed by Hans Zimmer and features contribution from songwriter and actor Rick Garcia, Latin rock band Los Lobos, and hardcore punk industrial band Lurd. A pet anthropomorphic chameleon becomes stranded in the Mojave Desert of Nevada after his terrarium falls from his owner's car by accident. On the road, he meets the cause of the accident, an armadillo named Roadkill, who the car had hit and who is seeking the mystical spirit of the West. While wandering the desert, he narrowly avoids being eaten by a vicious red-tailed hawk before meeting the desert iguana Beans. Beans take him to Dirt, an old western town populated by anthropomorphic animals, where Roadkill said on Wednesdays, water comes in through a mysterious rite. The chameleon presents himself to the townsfolk as the tough drifter named Rango. He quickly runs afoul of outlaw Gila monster Bad Bill but avoids a shootout when Bill is scared off by the hawk's return. Rango is chased by the hawk until he accidentally knocks out an empty water tower which he crushes the hawk to death. The town mayor, an elderly tortoise, appoints Rango as the new sheriff. Meanwhile, the townsfolk worry that with the hawk's death, the gunslinger Rattlesnake Jake, who is afraid of the hawks, will return. After discovering Dirt's water reserve stored in the town bank inside a water cooler bottle to be near empty, a skeptical Beans demands Rango investigates where the water has gone. That night, Rango inadvertently assists a trio of bank robbers led by a mole named Balthazar, mistaking them for prospectors. The townsfolk find their water bottle stolen the next morning, so Rango organizes a posse. During the search, they find the banker, Mr. Merrimack, in the middle of the desert dead, but oddly, the cause of the death was drowning. The posse tracks their robbers to their hideout. They fight Balthazar's bat-riding clan over the stolen water bottle before discovering it to be empty. But the robbers profess that they found it empty, but the posse brings them to town to put them in jail while the citizens want them to lynch them. Rango confronts the mayor about his buying the land around Dirt, but the mayor denies any wrongdoing and shows Rango that he is building a modern city with the purchased land. The mayor then summons Rattlesnake Jake, who forces Rango to admit that he lied to the townsfolk and runs him out of the town. Rango returns to the road where he fell from the car, crosses to the other side amidst the heavy traffic and passes out, taken by a multitude of pillbugs. Rango wakes and meets the spirit of the West, appearing as an elderly man with no names. After telling him what he did to the citizens of Dirt, the spirit tells Rango that he must go back to set things right, telling him that no man can walk out of his own story. With the aid of roadkill and mystical move in Yokas, Rango learns that Dirt's water supply is controlled by an emergency shut-off valve in a water pipeline to Las Vegas, which the mayor has been manipulating to cause a water shortage so he could buy the land. Rango returned to Dirt to challenge Jake to a duel, a diversion so that Yukas can turn the pipeline's valve to flood the town. Rango then holds Jake at gunpoint and makes clear his resolve. The mayor, however, forces Rango to surrender by threatening Bean's life and locks him inside the glass bank vault to drown. Then he tries to shoot Jake with Rango's gun, intending to kill Jake along with the rest of the Old West. But the gun is empty. Rango has taken the bullet, which he uses to crack the glass and shatter the vault, freeing himself and the Bean. Impressed, Jake salutes Rango and drags the mayor into the desert. The citizens of Dirt celebrate the return of the water and recognize Rango as their hero. It's an awesome story, isn't it? What do you guys think? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet already subscribed. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from our channel, and I will catch you in the next one.